How can a fiber provider leverage its dense metro and long-haul fiber network to deliver a secure and scalable program that will equip carriers, large enterprises, schools, and government with unlimited bandwidth? First, the fiber provider's goals are reviewed, understood, and confirmed with their new guide, Eyes and Ears, Trusted Friend, Program Manager from Vertex Innovations. Secondly, Vertex uses experience, subject matter expertise, and best-in-class software to manage the design of a high-level route feasibility study for the entire program. Getting the municipality's approval isn't easy. Therefore, Vertex oversees that a positive relationship exists with each city, identifying issues, potential hurdles, plus permitting and building agreements. Vertex will then oversee the creation of a preliminary circuit design. Of course, an actual hands-on route feasibility will also be conducted. In addition to driving out the route, Vertex manages both the site walks and the searches for existing penetrations, or the possibility to perform a new one. Vertex will oversee engineer drawings that reflect the findings of the physical feasibility. As many site walks or route write-outs as necessary will be completed to ensure that the design is as accurate as possible and to mitigate future red lines. Vertex will work with the fiber provider to help create the RFP and an efficient, unbiased vendor environment that rejects unqualified personnel and matches vendors with the scope of the work. Once the fiber provider awards the work, Vertex manages the contractors to the end of the program, improving communication patterns. Before construction can begin, all permits are verified and approved. This process is painful when not managed by Vertex. Local permit offices do not have the capacity to deliver efficient nor accurate documentation. Vertex will confirm that all permits are obtained without any hassle to the fiber provider. Vertex will also manage the build schedule and get the construction phase underway. Once construction is complete, Vertex oversees the fiber connection to the MDU and turns it up. All required proper testing and results are managed by Vertex. For this type of dark fiber program, the tests include bidirectional optical time domain reflectometer, or OTDR, power meter, and fiber end connector, or FEC. This is also when a full fiber characterization testing, otherwise known as chromatic dispersion or polarization dispersion, is conducted. All testing documentation is saved in raw data form and PDF in a secure central location. Vertex confirms that the closeout phase is completed successfully and that the project is now network ready. The fiber provider receives an as-built creation that delivers a customizable, flexible, cost-efficient pathway of virtually limitless bandwidth dedicated to its customers.